Right, so have you ever got a text in English and thought, what language is this? You look at your phone and you see some letters together like WTF or LOL. So you're confused and Googling every letter. Don't worry, what you're seeing is probably just everyday texting slang. So today we're gonna break down a bit of this in the video. Okay, so first of all, these are the classics that you really need to know if you're going to sound natural and understand some texting language. Number one, LOL. So this means laughing out loud. So this does usually mean something is funny and you're laughing about it, but it can also be used when something's not funny. Some people just use it for everything. For example, that movie was so terrible, lol. Or lol, I can't believe you said that. Okay, next one, number two, BRB. Be right back. So this means you're leaving for a minute, but you're going to come right back. For example, BRB, I just need to pick up something and I'll come back and speak to you in a minute. Or BRB, my food's here. Or BRB, there's an emergency. That's maybe a dramatic one. Next, BTW, by the way. So this means you're adding extra info. For example, BTW, I'm going to pick up something at the supermarket. Or BTW, John has a new job. Or BTW, I still have your hoodie. Number four, IDK. I don't know. This is like a super casual way to say you're not sure. For example, IDK, what to eat for dinner. I don't know what to eat for dinner. Who's coming tonight? IDK. Okay, next, OMG. Oh my God. So this means some total shock or disbelief in something. It can also be to show excitement too. For example, OMG. He's already here at the party. I didn't expect it. Or OMG, this dessert is amazing. Okay, next we have TBH. This means to be honest. So this is really about sharing a more true opinion. For example, TBH, I didn't really like the ending. Or TBH, I think you were right. Okay, next, LMK. This means let me know. So here we're asking someone to update you on what's going on. For example, LMK when you're free. Or LMK, what do you want from the market? Or LMK, if you got the email. Okay, next, FYI. This means for your information. So sharing info, sometimes it can be a bit passive aggressive too. For example, FYI, you got my name wrong. That's a bit passive aggressive here. Or less passive aggressive, FYI, the meeting starts at 3 today. Okay, next, NVM. This means never mind, okay? So basically, forget what I said. For example, NVM, I figured it out. Or NVM, we'll do it another time. Okay, so if you want to sound really up to date with your texting game, these are everywhere right now. IYKYK. If you know, you know. So this means only an inside joke or a reference that only some people will understand. For example, the best coffee spot in town. IYKYK. Or if you watch season 3, IYKYK. Okay, next, FR. This means for real. So that means you agree 100%. Like, that ending was amazing. FR, for real. Or Mondays are the worst, FR. Okay, next, RN. This means right now. So pretty obvious, it's emphasizing what is happening in the moment, right now. Now, here's my challenge for you after watching and learning all of this new texting slang. So use some of this text slang today. Pick 3 of these slang terms and use them in your text today. Seriously, just try it. And if you've seen any slang that really confused you in the video, LMK, let me know in the comments. Okay, if you like this video and you would like more English videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning more. Okay guys, keep practicing. See you next time.